What's poppin', chef? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to utilize the ID Cleaner preset. Is a preset that allows you to quickly achieve certain sounds that you may be looking for. So as you can see, I have this sample right here and it's completely dry without any effect onto it, and this is what it sounds like.
You know I love you, girl. That's why I had to be. I got some trusty shoes. Hope you still fuck with me.
You could just EQ it and do all the extra stuff, but if you quickly just want to get your idea out quicker, the ID Cleaner preset allows you to quickly achieve what you're looking for. I'm gonna go into the mixer and just open up the ID Cleaner preset on this. Sounds like this.
You know I love you, girl. That's why I had to be. I got some trusty shoes. Hope you still fuck with me. You know I love you, girl. That's why I had to be. I got some trusty shoes. Hope you still fuck with me.
The ID Cleaner just makes it a lot more cleaner and allows you to continue working without having to think about it. I'm gonna leave the ID Cleaner preset in the description below for you to download so you can use it in your tracks. Let me know if you like the ID Cleaner preset on other DAWs, and I'll see you on the next one.